Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be cleaning up from yesterday's Christmas Undecorate with me, and I'm going to be doing maybe a little bit of decorating. I'm not sure yet, but if you're new here, my name's Nicholsen. I do a lot of home decor, cooking, and cleaning, and I would love it if you would subscribe, and if you are returning, it is so good to see you. Okay guys, let's get into this video.
Just like a wave.
So today is the first week of a brand new year, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys all of my resolutions and rituals for the new year. And the first thing I'm going to share with you is Ritual. First, I want to say thank you to Ritual for sponsoring today's video and helping me start 2022 off strong. I love this multivitamin. It has high quality nutrients inside that are all traceable. I love how transparent this company is, as you can actually see exactly where all the ingredients come from, and on their website it lists all the benefits from using this vitamin. They also have vitamins for men, 50 plus, prenatal, postnatal, and teens. I've actually been using Ritual for over a year now, and I absolutely love it. Join me today and go to ritual.com/30ln and use code 30ln for 30% off your order today. Okay, let's get cleaning.
Could stare, I didn't give a damn, 'cause all I needed was my friend. Way back when. Way back when, way back when. Remember when my father taught us how.
So if you joined me on my last video where we took down all the Christmas decorations, I didn't actually have a chance to deep clean the house. So that's what we're doing today. I'm going to go ahead and go through each room in the kitchen, living room, dining room, entryway, up the stairs, and just use a nice cloth to wipe everything down. I get a lot of questions on my cleaning supplies, and I will link them down below. I've also put together a couple shops where you guys can kind of just quickly click on the things that you're interested in. I know I found a couple that I love, but I always love when you share with me your tricks and hacks for cleaning your house. I love it. This glass cleaner is my favorite. I will definitely be the first thing I link down below.
People could stare, I didn't give a damn, 'cause I was being next to you. Way back when, we didn't care what they said. People could stare.
It feels so good to finally get this piece nice and clean. We have 4 kids, and I don't know if you guys can tell on this video, but it is covered in fingerprints. So it felt really good to actually give this a deep clean. When it's nice and clean, it's so shiny. But speaking of the kids, I'm kind of trying to be quiet, and I have in my last 2 videos because I've been doing my voiceovers at night after I put them to bed. It just kind of helps when I'm down here. I don't have to talk so loud and fast. I'm able to actually concentrate on my voiceovers and not try to drown out the kids going crazy in the background. But I'm really excited for tomorrow because it's our first day back to school since winter break, and I'm excited to get back into my routine. This Christmas was just kind of a total free-for-all. We stayed up late like almost every night watching movies and playing games. We taught the kids how to play dominoes, which is like literally my husband and I play dominoes almost every night. It's our favorite thing to do. So I was excited to do that, but it's time to get them back into a nice routine, and I'll be sharing more of my routines on here for the school year and just kind of keeping it all together. If you're new here, I have a full-time job and 4 kids who are all in elementary school. And I also do YouTube as a fun hobby, and it's been kind of fun to actually really compartmentalize so much of my work so that I can accomplish more in a day without getting overwhelmed or stressed out. So I'm going to try to share a lot more of that with you guys in this year, just so you can maybe use some of them as tips or tricks to kind of just get your life organized the way I have, and kind of maybe find some ways to keep stress at bay and have more fun with our families.
There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us.
I don't know if you guys can tell, but prior to washing this window, it was so sticky and gross, and look at the reflection. It's almost like a mirror. I absolutely love this spray. You can literally get it at Target or anywhere. It's the best. It is so shiny and clean. I just love it.
Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up. what we're doing is best. There's so many emotions, sharing stories that we never had, yet none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different.
It feels so good to just wipe everything down after Christmas. I see so much dust has accumulated and glitter. It's so funny. I have so many people that have been driving by the house super slow to look at the big red bow. I do need to have that taken down. I have been kind of contemplating if I wanted to leave it up through Valentine's Day, but I feel like I kind of want to do some really big hearts all over the front and just create like more love out there than just the bow. But yeah, it's still funny how many people came by and took like family photos. It just brings so much joy to my heart to bring just like, even if it's just one smile by the front of our house to somebody. It's just been really fun to kind of play with that big bow. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it down below. It's from A Christmas Decorate With Me. But it's been so good to just kind of wipe everything down. I think what I'm going to do in the next like 6 weeks is go room by room and actually declutter and clean everything like I did last year. I definitely need to do the pantry and the bathroom and my bedroom. And I kind of already cleaned the front rooms. You'll see in the next 2 videos, like I really actually do declutter everything where there's really not much left. The kitchen could probably use like another kind of mini declutter with me, but I've kept it really clean from the last one we did together. But I need to start kind of going room by room and really getting things organized.
I knew it would catch up and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Time is gone and I grew up.
I can't wait to get out on my porch and do some nice deep cleaning out there. We've had lots of storms here and it's been so nice to kind of actually have some rain in Northern California, so I haven't paid too much attention to the porch recently, but I can't wait to get out there and get some beautiful fresh flowers and a nice new beautiful wreath out there to kind of celebrate the change of the season.
Leave my mind. On this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time. Bruises, they come and they go, and we have to try and keep up, 'cause this life's so much more. And I still wonder where you are. If you found a way out.
This is like one of my favorite mom moments in life where I'm just kind of cleaning. I'm thinking so much about what's coming up, and then you hear like a scream or like kids playing, and you're like, wait, is that a scary scream? Is that a bad scream? No, they're okay. It's just one of those mom moments I just love. The other one I always have in these videos when I'm editing is like, you can hear me looking around because things get too quiet. And you know how it is when you have 4 kids and things get too quiet. You know there's nothing good on the other end of that.
The memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the bar. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay.
It feels so good to see these floors all cleaned. I'm actually going to turn on my Robo-Rock in a little bit and have it vacuum and mop all this. I shared it in a past video and I'll link it down below. I just got mine on Amazon, but they are absolutely amazing. They literally like vacuum your whole house and then it will actually go back over it and mop it. But because I have so much big stuff on the floor and a lot of debris and all of that flocking, I wanted to use my Dyson just because it's a little bit stronger of a vacuum. And I just think it'd be a lot easier to kind of go over everything with the Dyson and then have the Robo-Rock kind of go through and clean and mop everything.
How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay.
So this is the Robo-Rock app. I shared it again in a past video, but all you have to do is click the room you want it to clean. I wanted to focus in this entryway because I'm working in the other room. So I just push the entryway. It kind of does like whatever that is. It like scans the room and now it's going to start vacuuming everything. The other thing I like is it goes over carpets. It actually doesn't mop on top of your carpet, which is really nice. So now in the dining room, I'm just going to clean off this table. I'm going to use some oil for it. I love using a nice oil to kind of like refinish the table after a long holiday season.
How'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time. I'm not broken, not broken, not broken. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
Don't need someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are, who you really are. Yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me, then just do it.
It feels so good to have everything wiped down. I am going to take a little bit of time to actually clean up the living room. It's kind of a mess from having everything vacuumed and taking just a couple more minutes for Robo-Rock to finish, but because I've got the couch in the middle of the room and all of these pillows, I still need to vacuum underneath those, so I'm going to do that really quickly. But I think everything turned out beautiful. The floors look great. I want to do some different things in this dining room this year. I'm going to be taking you on some antiquing trips with me because we do need a couple more pieces of furniture for this dining room and our living room, because I'm thinking about doing that built-in. You guys know that for the last year we've been trialing this built-in here under the turret window, and I think we're actually going to build it in. So I'll show you where we get those antique legs, a lot like the when we built in our dining room for our island. But I'll show you all of that and painting it, the paint we use, and I'll try to give you guys way more information this year so that I can answer a lot of your questions to help you guys when you are doing your kind of home renos and things like that. I realized when I was putting this couch back that there was like 1,000 Cheerios and granola under it, which is disgusting, but whatever. that's 4 kids for you. So I'm gonna give a quick vacuum to where the couch was, and then we're gonna tidy up the house. I'm gonna add just a little bit of decor so the house doesn't look like we just moved in, and then we are gonna move on into our next video.
Gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know if you're gonna leave me, then just do it.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain.
I can't wait to get some new decor in here. As I'm kind of putting some of this stuff from last year up, it just feels so boring. I want to put some nice flowers up, probably bring in some blues and whites again. Last year I did like a whole kind of winter green vibe in here, and it just still feels really dark. So I think what I'm going to do is I have a bunch of blue and whites that I've had for years up in the attic. I might bring those down and kind of bring in some white florals. I don't think I want to bring pink in or anything too bright or springy yet, but I definitely think using, you know, a touch of green, some blue and whites, and some white flowers will really brighten up this space.
If you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for it.
Okay guys, so we are done cleaning for today. Tomorrow is redecorate with me, and I have some really fun things I'm gonna break out, but I'm also gonna start talking to you guys a little bit about some kind of really redecorating, like maybe a different couch, different chairs. I'm not sure. We got to change those out, but this turned out nice and cozy. We've ordered the legs for this, so we will be building that in and painting it. We still have our big red bow outside, but that's fine. And the couch is all fluffed and clean. I just put this basket here. I'm gonna put some cozy things in there. It's still freezing. It's so cold here. Dining room looks super bare. I'm not sure I'm going to put those 2 tables that were there back. I might do something else in those corners. I'm not sure yet. And then in here, I was able to go dig out our old pillows that used to go here. Totally not going to keep it this way. I need to bring back the big table, put some beautiful flowers there. I'm thinking of going with like white and green. And then I put our game table up there. We like to sit up in the turret, have a glass of wine, and do dominoes. So I'll probably put our domino set on there. And then over here we need to put that downstairs, and then I want to put a nice bouquet or something there. But I think for today, the house looks nice and clean, and I will see you guys in our next video. Bye.
Waiting round the bend. There's a new day, and it will restore us. There'll be new ways. This is not